Hey guys, welcome to Biostech channel. So this is a automated gate
Bro, this is a network.
centurion use. So done with installation. We're done with installation.
Correctly
Checking
closed.
out the process.
Perfectly closed. No stress. Just take a look. Just take a look. I seen it. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
So there are guidelines on how to install this automatic gates. But first, you need to subscribe to my channel for more. I will show you how to connect it through your phone. Connect through your phone around the world, where you are. Like it can connect through your phones. So just stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.